Dear students, today I want to discuss about the topics of photosynthesis from chapter 9. In this topic, you have to learn some short questions, and the short questions are photosynthesis, photolysis, C3 and C4 cycle, C3 and C4 plant, photorespiration, limiting factor, and photosynthetic quotient. Dear students, do you know what is photosynthesis? Yes, the photosynthesis is the process where manufacturing carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and water utilizing solar energy is known as photosynthesis. It can be summarized by the following simple equation. In this slide, you can see the simple equation of photosynthesis. Photolysis. The breaking down of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen due to the action of light is called photolysis. C3 cycle and C3 plant. As produced permanent element in Calvin cycle possesses 3 carbon, this cycle is called C3 cycle. And the plants which are visible with this cycle is known as C3 plant. C4 cycle and C4 plant. As produced permanent element in H-Slug cycle possesses 4 carbon. This cycle is called C4 cycle. And the plants which are visible with this cycle is known as C4 plant. Photorespiration. Photorespiration is a respiratory process in higher plants by which they take up oxygen in the light and give out some carbon dioxide. Photorespiration happens in C3 plants in Calvin cycle. Limiting factor. According to Blackman, if any reaction is influenced by more than one factors, the rate of reaction is determined by lower dose factor. Blackman named the low dose factor as limiting factor. Photosynthetic quotient. The proportion of carbon dioxide molecules absorbed and oxygen molecules evolved in photosynthesis at a specific time is called photosynthetic quotient. Now, I want to discuss about some comprehensive based question. In this slide, you can see some question. The question number 1 is, what do you mean by photolysis? Question number 2 is, what do you mean by photorespiration? What do you mean by limiting factor? Why H-Slug path is called C4 cycle? What do you mean by C3 and C4 plant? Dear students, I have already answered in this question in your short question part or knowledge based part. You have to write in this question elaborately a minimum 3 to 5 lines for proper marks. Now, I want to discuss about applied and heritability question. In this slide, you can see the first stem. The first stem is A. Rice, mango and berry. B. Sugarcane, maize and grass. The question number C is, show the diagram the process of the production of food in the leaves of the plants B or A in the stem. And the question number D is, there are dissimilarities between the group A and B in the stem. Analyze it. Answer number C. From the stem 1. The plants B in the stem are sugarcane, maize, grass, which are C4 plants. In C4 plants, the production of food in the leaves is accomplished through C4 cycle or H-Slug cycle. In C4 plants, phosphoenol pyruvic acid receiving carbon dioxide and produces 4-carbon oxaloacetic acid. In this slide, you can see the diagram of H-Slug cycle. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid is the first receiver of carbon dioxide. Here shows how carbohydrate produced from this diagram or C4 cycle, which is demonstrated by H and Slug. The plants A in the stem are rice, mango, berry, which are C3 plants. In C3 plants, the production of food in the leaves is accomplished through C3 cycle or Calvin cycle. In C3 plants, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate receiving carbon dioxide and produces 3-carbon phosphoglyceric acid. In this slide, you can see the diagram of Calvin cycle or C3 cycle. Scientist Calvin shows how carbohydrates are produced by this cycle. If you want to describe in question, then you have to describe each stage of that cycle. Answer number D. Plants of A group are rice, mango, berry, which are C3 plants. On the other hand, plants of B group are sugarcane, maize, grass, which are C4 plants. There are dissimilarities between the plants of group A and B based on the pathway of carbon dioxide reduction, which are described below. C3 cycle and C4 cycle. C3 cycle. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate is the first receiver of carbon dioxide. In C4 cycle, phosphoenol pyruvic acid is the first receiver of carbon dioxide. The first stable product is 3-phosphoglyceric acid in C3 cycle, and in C4 cycle, the first stable product is oxaloacetic acid. Carbon dioxide fixing enzyme is Rubisco in C3 cycle, and C4 cycle carbon dioxide fixing enzyme is carboxylase. Optimum temperature is 10 to 25 degrees centigrade in C3 cycle, and C4 cycle optimum temperature is 30 to 45 degrees centigrade. Photosynthesis rate is low in C3 cycle and photosynthesis rate is high in C4 cycle. Photorespiration is occurred in C3 cycle, but in C4 cycle, photorespiration is not occurred. This process occurs in one type chloroplast in C3 cycle, and C4 cycle, the process occurs in two types chloroplast. Minimum 500 ppm carbon dioxide should be present in C3 cycle, and C4 cycle 0.10 ppm carbon dioxide should be present. In this slide, you can see the stem number 2. And the question number C is, prove the source of released Y of the stem. And the question number D is, the physiological process of the stem plays important role for living organisms. Analyze. Answer number C is, according to the stem, Y is oxygen. The gas of the stem is oxygen. In photosynthesis process, glucose and oxygen are produced with the combination of carbon dioxide and water in the process of sunlight. The following experiments undoubtedly proved that the oxygen is released from water, not from carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Hill reaction, Fenniel reaction, and radioactive isotopes test of Rubin and Kamen. You have to discuss elaborately in this theory. Answer number D. The physiological process of the stem is photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis is given below. It is the primary source of organic food and food energy for all forms of life, either directly or indirectly. Excess sugars produced in photosynthesis are either stored in the form of carbohydrates or used in the biosynthesis of other organic compounds. In any ecosystem, green plants represent the most essential biotic components as they are the primary producers. Photosynthesis helps to purify air and also maintain balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the ecosystem. Oxygenic photosynthesis was responsible for converting the totally anaerobic condition on Earth aerobic atmosphere present now. So, photosynthesis plays important role for living organisms. Dear students, now I want to discuss about some multiple choice question part. Photosynthesis is a Greek word. Photo means light. Synthesis means to assimilate. The byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. The photons of light are used in photosynthesis. The answer is 50 to 60 photons. 50 to 60 photons. How many carbon atoms are present in the first compound of Calvin cycle? The answer is 3 carbon. Dark phase of photosynthesis is also known as the assimilation phase. The first stable compound of Calvin cycle is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. C3 plants are mango, berry, jackfruit. The first receiver of carbon dioxide in C3 cycle is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. In C3 cycle, first important enzyme is Rubisco enzyme. How many cycles are needed for synthesis of 1 molecules of glucose in C3 cycles? The answer is 6 cycles. In C4 cycle, first receiver of carbon dioxide is phosphoenol pyruvic acid. In C4 cycle, first stable compound is oxaloacetic acid. In C4 plants are sugarcane, maize, oat, sorghum, etc. How many types of chloroplast are used in C4 cycle? And the answer is 2 types. Photosynthetic quotient is 1. Law of limiting factors are proposed by Blackman. The amount of carbohydrates produced in C4 plant is high.